Okay, we're at the Woodstock Farm Show here. We're talking about the new Horsch AutoSelect nozzle control system. So the way the system works on a traditional manual pressure control sprayer, when you speed up, your pressure has to increase the gallons per minute to hold the correct gallons per acre. On this sprayer, instead of increasing our pressure, we're going to try to keep our pressure down lower and just turn on a bigger orifice size. So when you set up your tips at the start of the year, you're going to put on 6 sets of tips. Once you get into the cab, you're just going to change your gallons per acre rate. You're going to pick the correct pressure and pick the correct droplet size. So you never have to change tips again. So the way it looks, the first tip that'll turn on will be our orange tip, which is our 01 tip, and I have that set up as a twin fan. So that tip turns on first when I'm going the slowest. As I speed up a little bit, coming out of that headland, I don't have to push my throttle all the way forward. I can then, as I speed up a little bit, another tip will turn on. So now I have a 01 tip and an 02 tips for a total of an 03 spray. You can see though, the way I have these tips set up, I have a twin fan going forward and back, and I have a flat fan going side to side. So what that means, on the weak head right here in the middle, I get hit by this stream, hits the front of the head, this stream here hits the back, this stream hits the side, and then the other flat fan hits it from the other side. So we have a 10-inch nozzle spacing and a 360-degree application of the weed. As you speed up a little bit more, maybe you add some more tips. Maybe we'll turn on the turn off this one, and maybe this one turns on. As you speed up a little bit more, maybe this one turns off and this one turns on. As you speed up a little bit more, maybe this guy turns on, and then this one, and then this one. Maybe this one turns off. But as you change your speed ranges, the nozzles will then turn on and off. So when you want to go spray liquid fertilizer, instead of having to go back here and change your tips up inside the cab, all you would do is select your liquid fertilizer tip, which would be this one right here. And now we're spraying liquid fertilizer. So the other thing we've been working on is a set of low drift and high drift nozzles. When you're pulling up beside that acreage, you don't want to spray the acreage out, or the vegetable farm, or whatever you have on the edge of the field. I'll be spraying along with my high drift, better coverage tips. I'll hit a button in the cab and it'll switch over to my low drift tips. Just like that.